Hey guys, Sheila here from Media Vandals. It is Friday. It is 10 to 5, and we're just wrapping up for the weekend. Tomorrow is Halloween, so I'm wondering what that is going to look like given the current spike in COVID. And I believe the clocks also go back this weekend, so that's on a plus. The video for today, I wanted to actually shoot this video about perseverance and sticking to the plan or changing the plan when things go awry. So back in March of this year, end of March, beginning of April, we had a lovely woman named Lucy reach out to us about doing a website. Now, Lucy was heading back into work after being on maternity leave. And when she went to go back to work, she realized that she no longer had a job. So she decided that this would be the perfect opportunity for her to take her expertise in fashion and create a service specifically for mothers, where she would sell them a package. Her services were packages where she comes to your home, helps you get organized, declutter, and get ready to go back to work. Now the problem with new mothers getting ready to go back to work after maternity leave is that your body has changed quite a bit. I mean, you just had a child, and most of your clothes probably don't fit the same, and it most likely leaves most women in a bit of a stressful state. So she had this fantastic idea for her business, and we were working with her to create a website to help promote that and get her out there. And then COVID hit and everything locked down. So rather than canceling the project, Lucy decided that it would be a great opportunity for her to invest in a little bit of education. Now, she took a course on how to create your own course, and she thought about everything that she was good at and the value that she could bring to other mothers. And she decided to create a course called Closet Confidence. Now, the Closet Confidence course comes with, give me 1 second here. The Closet Confidence course comes with 4 lessons and a bonus lesson. And the syllabus it's designed to give you the tools you need to clear clutter, shop smart, and feel fabulous. As I'm reading through this, she says, finish this course feeling confident and prepared to shop smart and feel fabulous. Here's what you'll learn. In lesson 1, we will cover how to measure in order to determine your body silhouette. We'll then learn what different silhouettes are and what styling suits each one. At the end of the lesson, you'll know what styling is most flattering for your shape. In lesson 2, we cover how to determine your skin tone, what primary, secondary, and tertiary colors are, and how to use monochromatic and neutral shades. At the end of the lesson, you will know what colors complement you and your skin tone best. In lesson 3, you'll learn how to use different necklines, sleeve lengths, and accessories to create even proportions and complete a look. At the end of this lesson, you will learn how to accessorize without over-accessorizing. And in lesson 4, we review what is current in your closet and how it ties back to lessons 1, 2, and 3. We'll make outfits based on the ratio of tops to bottoms, which I used in my own career as a buyer for many years in order to avoid overbuying the wrong items. At the end of the lesson, you will have an organized closet assorted by looks that best complement you. So it sounds like a fantastic little course. And she put a lot of thought into this. In the middle of the project, we sort of switched trajectories of which way we were going to go, because obviously with COVID, she wasn't able to offer her packages where she comes to your house and helps you get organized. And Most people who have an idea when they're faced with something like this would probably decide to just call it a day. I mean, what can you do? Your business is based around going to people's houses, and you can't go to people's houses because of COVID. So Lucy took a look at all of the expertise she has. Now, she did spend quite a bit of her career being a buyer. Let's just look that up really quick here on her website. So Lucy spent 20 years working for brands like Tommy Hilfiger, Ralph Lauren, and Calvin Klein. She traveled the world while running a multi-million-dollar division and worked with factories all over the world, curating collections for the Canadian market. So she took her expertise, took a course on building courses, and learned how she could take her expertise and create something very valuable to other women and especially mothers who are going back to work. So today's video is announcing the launch of Mom Mode. Visit mommode.ca to check it out. It has been 7 months in the works, and we finally launched today. And I just wanted to say congratulations, Lucy. It has been an absolute pleasure working with you on this, and I wish you nothing but success. Now that this course has launched, my advice to you is promote, promote, promote. And if you're viewing this video and you know somebody who could use this course, please tell them to check out mommode.ca. Fantastic course. She's done a great job thinking up what to offer people, and I think this one is really going to hit a home run. So everyone enjoy your Fridays. Everyone enjoy your Friday. Just remember, if things start going awry in your life, there is always a second option. You just need to take a step back and think about what to do next. And have a great weekend, everyone. We'll see you in the next one. Like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll check back with you tomorrow. Cheers.